A broken USB. Yeah, so this is see what I got going on today. It's a USB that came in. It was basically broken. It was, you could see there, it had that last pin, or the last little leg was broken. I tried to jump it from there. You can see a little wire there. You can't see that, it's way too small. Can you see a little wire sticking out on that last one? Yeah. So I try to jump it from there and reattach it to the main board, but it just gave me a really hard time. Also, there was a couple of pads that were bad, so I spent some time on it, couldn't get it to work. But then I had one here in the store. So if you see this one here, this was one that I had here in the store, and I took it apart. So this is the one that was originally from the store. So I took it apart, took this head off, took the head off and tried that, because that way I had those four full legs, and then I just had to worry about the pads. And it worked. Of course, if not, I wouldn't be doing the video. So yeah, this is from a customer that does some music. So imagine if you have all this music done. How many files are there? 68 files. You got these 68 music files that you've made and didn't have them copied, and you don't want to lose that. So luckily, let me show you the USB. I got it down here. Let's see if it doesn't fall apart. See how well we can kind of view that. So it actually looks pretty good, but it's more messed up than it looks. So at least with this one, this is the head that I took off of a new one that I had there. So at least I had the 4 prongs, and there was 2 pads that were lifted, but I was able to scrape the trace, and I was able to get it. So you really can't. Can I focus there? No. Yeah, so I'm gonna need probably. Oh, there you go. Okay. Yeah, you can kind of see. Actually, it looks pretty good. But yeah, the 2 center traces were both lifted, so that's just barely touching. The pads were lifted, so that's just barely touching the trace, but enough to connect. And get the data. 68 items. 68 items. How much data? Not much. 2 gigs. So you say, wow, 2 gigs is not a lot. Well, if it's a video, it might not be, but if it's data, if it's Excel, if it's Word, even music, a lot of files you don't want to redo. So yeah, we are doing data recovery, late night data recovery, because I told the customer I'd have it to him for tomorrow. So made it. All right, and that's what's going on right here, right now at PC911.